Currently, right now, the warm welcome sale is on from now until January 25th, up to 50% off games and apps for the MetaQuest store. Feel free to use code TECH at checkout in order to get 10% off, even for games that aren't on this list. I will, however, try to put a link to a few of the games I recognize and do actually think were good games in the links in the description below. But for games that aren't okay, I guess I misspoke. I should say for games that aren't, like I said, use code TECH at checkout. But also, if you want to gameplay for the games on the list, or some of them on the list, some of them I don't have gameplay for, but Vamp Plays is a channel where I do both VR game content and non-VR game content. Feel free to check it out. There'll be a link in the description below. Now, Vampire Hunter VR is one I wanted to check out. It doesn't look like it's specifically part of the sale, but you can use code TECH at checkout to actually, go into it rather. But there are some games that do seem to be on sale. And that would be these games right here. Let's see, it looks like the Synth Riders Experience bundle is going to be, I think, on sale, but these games look like they're for sure on sale. I can't say I recognize a lot of these personally, but if you have some you recommend, feel free to let me know. Comment section below. I might be able to check out some new MetaQuest games. Yeah, because I haven't played all of them, so recommendations are definitely welcome. Synth Riders, I'll put that in the link in the description below in case you want to pick up the main game. And it looked like these are add-ons for games, like this is the weapons pack for a game, and the Townsman VR, which seems like a game. Actually, it reminds me, just from the picture, it reminds me of a game that I checked out not too long ago called How to God, where you actually get to be God and you create everything. I actually, small spoiler alert, I actually ended up making a creature that ate a villager. I know, but shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, but yeah, seriously, hopefully you guys enjoy the sale. Like I said, for games that aren't on sale, feel free to use code TECH for 10% off. And again, if you want to see some of these games in action, definitely feel free to check out my other YouTube channel, Vamp Plays, and just, search on the channel, see if the game pops up, because like I said, I do play a bunch of different VR games. I've been known to play Deadpool VR from time to time, Synth Riders, of course, and yeah, the list goes on. I'll put a link in the description below to some games I personally recommend. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.